This is not magic. This is a science experiment. Put 2 magnets on each side of the cup. The water in the cup becomes a tornado. Put 2 bottle caps on top of the round magnets. Put a piece of glass on top and put a spinning gyroscope. Remove the glass and bottle caps. You will find the gyroscope is hanging in the air and spinning up. Pour some alcohol on the sand. Pour the sugar baking soda mixture on top. Ignite it. You will find the magic phenomenon. Put 2 forks crossed together. Put a toothpick through the middle, and then put it together with another toothpick. The fork actually hangs in the air. Pour a glass of red wine and water separately. Cover a card like this and put the glasses together. Pull out a slit. A miraculous scene appeared. The red wine and water swapped places. Cut off the bottom of the plastic bottle. Put a balloon over it. Fun air bubble. You can make one too. Sneak out Dad's treasured CDs. Tear off the surface of the disc with tape, then heat it up with fire. Blow super bubbles with force. Cut the stem of a white rose into 4 petals. Soak it in 4 different colors of paint. Wait for 24 hours. You'll have a colorful rose. Snap a small card on the bottle. Even if the bottle is turned upside down, water won't spill. Stick a toothpick inside. The water won't spill either. Did you learn it?